Warm welcome to all of you. Myself Sanjay Nirmal, Assistant Engineer MCGM, like to provide information on how online platform developed by MCGM help to construction industry in getting the different permissions in post-COVID situation. We are very much thankful for providing this opportunity to share our reforms and update to all stakeholders. We are happy to share how it helped in surface and subsurface construction activities during and post-COVID situation. During this presentation, we will put light on following topics: the situation prior to atomization, reforms implemented, and how technology helped us in upgradation of the services. Prior to implementation, there are three major hurdles. The whole process was dependent on physical communication. It was not possible to get approval clearances from the authority without physical persuasion. Each case needs follow-up to provide momentum, which demonetize time, effort, and cost. The different departments work in silo. They have their different set of regulations and methodology. There are multiple input parameters regarding fee calculation, their own mechanism regarding challenge generation, and payment acceptance also. No certainty and surety regarding the results of the approval. In process re-engineering, we have identified three parameters, that is simplification of the procedures, allocations of the resources, and technology involvement. We targeted in reducing the number of procedures, cost, and time required of each procedures. We also ensured quality of our regulations so that output shall be of high quality. The requirements which are not provided any value addition are eliminated permanently. All the procedures are defined with specific timeline. The duties and responsibilities of officers are well defined. The MIS of subordinates are provided at all levels. Provisions of auto-escalation made in application. Each approval, procedures, and its requirement are clearly defined, publicized, so that applicants and officials both are aware about requirements and approvals. We have taken maximum help of technology while doing this process and less human interventions. This was helped us during atomization of approvals, remarks, and NOCs related to different departments and authorities. The departments geographically far are integrated along with the requisite payment calculations, their logics, challenge generation, and acceptances of payment also through different mode of payments like NFT, RTGS, debit card, credit card. More logics are implemented than perception. As regards to creation of awareness, we have used hard communication, social media, in-person communication. So all channels we have used. Leading newspapers, booklets, brochures, handbills are posted. Also some hoardings and standees are put in our office premises at prime locations so that our officials as well as the visitors and applicants will get aware about the procedures and reforms. Social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube channels we have used a lot. Hands-on training, regular meetings, seminars, webinars with the officials and stakeholders also carried out at large. Public interface. So this was helped us a lot to improve ourselves. All submissions, documents, photographs are instantly available on public domain. There is 100% transparency which results into instant audit of each submission and approval by public at large, resulting in prompt quality services. There is a remarkable reduction in number of grievances and RTI applications. The institutional requirements such as statistical data for budgeting, policies, resource allocation, quality analysis, and interdepartmental requirement becomes very easy. We have taken COVID as opportunity to improve city infrastructure. About 1,000 plus works of improvements and infrastructure works related to hospital, school, market, bridges, sewage, etc. are awarded during this period. Huge labor force were deployed with care during this period. Major junctions and roads, which are otherwise very busy due to heavy traffic, are successfully developed. As we all are aware, construction industry is soul of our city development. These days, everyone facing a painful situation. The industry got lot of relief due to working from home concept and online approval system. Also, the financial support, like in case of contracting, work relief providing by reducing the retention money and security deposits. To burst the construction industries, substantial relief provided in paying development charges and premium to be paid to the authority. We can see from the dashboard that during this pandemic period, that is from 22nd March up till this date, about 3051 different applications for concessions, IOD, CC, commencement certificate, occupation certificates and monsoon permissions we have received, out of which 1502 are approved and 308 are in process, remaining reverted for compliances. It could only possible due to adoption of technology and substantial support from construction industry peoples. Thank you very much.